Spread the message. And my boys have it for real. Big up, guys. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man, we love it. Ladies and gentlemen, we still got 3 bands to go, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. I don't know. It looks like it's already getting crazy in here. All right, a little later on, out of Atlanta, Georgia, we got Pacifier. Duderman Productions. Of course, one sec, big up to Lexi, my Island Hoppers crime partner. And of course, I want to say big up to Jensen Calloway and everybody else. Sunbum, thank you so much. And everybody that supports Culture Shock, we love you. Come back, see us tomorrow, 14:58 is our food. Alright, we're going to take a little break, turn things back over to Red Eye. Make sure you go check our booth. The band's got merch in the back. And of course, it's all about sweet roots, rock and reggae music. And when we return, we go with a local band. Kind of get funky, kind of get jammy, kind of get reggae rocking. So stick around. It's going to be a long, strange trip tonight.